Afternoon everybody, we're only back out on a glorious day. Me and Numbnuts gonna try and get a quick last camp in before number 2 shut down. Yeah, so we're gonna try and venture to the spot that we've been told about. Tried to come up here the other day with the girlfriend and find it as per the video. Dragged the missus out for an afternoon hike. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, very joyful. But yeah, hopefully we get there. Looks an ideal spot, and then we've got a few hours to chill out and maybe do a bit of bushcrafty stuff. But this place is awesome. Shrooms. This is a face of a really happy man. So we've just spent a couple of hours trying to find this spot. Anyway, we've walked all the way back to the start, and there's a path right at the start.
We're here. It's gorgeous.
Pissing me off.
At least a 2-minute walk into the woods, wasn't it, John?
What are you doing, Lee?
Safety first, people. If you'd like to have a look, I've just gone for a person down that, and I've got a back full of thistles. Oh,
I'll just watch you get up, don't worry.
not sure I can.
What a beaut. This
Well,
is the injured warrior.
Mate,
I feel for you, because that was steep.
it hurt. I ain't gonna lie to you, John.
That was steep.
I dread to think, well, my missus is gonna go mad when she sees my scratched up back.
See what I mean? If it was the other way around, I'm sure you'd be giving me shit, but I'm quite a sensitive person, and I'm giving you some sympathy here.
But in all honesty, did I or did I not tell you to give me shit?
No.
You lying dish pig.
Wow. We fucking made it. What a mission. What a mission. Set up for the night. Gone with tarp tent again. I was tempted to go hammock, but quite enjoying it at the moment, so there we go. I won't bore you with all the niff-naff in there, because I'm no expert. I'll just come out and enjoy myself. Sleeping bag, air mat, tarp, bag, hairy man.
Hi!
These
It's a French F1 commando tent.
and that ain't a commando, but anyway. Nice little tent that is. You've got a front door, so you can go pitch black in there and do stuff. No, you're right, mate. I'll hold it. Right, we're all set up. Got some firewood. That'll do us for tonight. We're only going to have a little fire as normal, because I don't see the point of having big fires.
Indians, mate. Small fire, sit close.
But anyway, one thing I did want to say to you guys is thank you to everyone that's subbed to me. Since my last video, I've obviously gone up about 50 odd subs, so thank you very much for that. Again, not sure why, because I'm boring as hell. And I come out for him for a good laugh. But anyway, thank you for that. Keep doing it, because I enjoy it. But we're going to sit down. I need a drink. I know it's early-ish, but I'm going to have a drink, so I'm pooped. And then hopefully enjoy the evening. Just got some grub on. Gone for something different tonight. Gone for sausages. Local sausages, I must say. Supporting the local trades. Can you get out of my light?
Sorry. Oh, I nearly went again.
Freak. Just played Lee's wear your hat game. You'll have to watch his video for that, because I'm not explaining it. But it's alright, it's a good spot, isn't it?
Mate, I'm loving this.
Yeah, really good spot.
Now the shop's finished.
My subs are gonna love it.
Yeah, I bet they will.
Poor fella. Nearly choked. Good health. Good night. We're having a good evening. We've had dinner. Lee's chatting. Yeah, he's chatting. But we're having a bit of problems with the fire. It just ain't burning very well. Which is a shame, because I do love a little fire. Obviously you can see it's going, it's just not, what's the word, roaring?
Roaring.
Roaring. How's your back?
It's, yeah, as I say, I'm hurt, I'm not injured.
Are you walking a bit funny?
Oh, I know I've done it. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah. I'd rather have not fell 10 foot.
Oh well, happens to the best of us.
It does, mate.
Just happened to you today.
I'm glad. About time. I'm surprised you haven't taken the piss more. Oh, definitely.
No, I wouldn't take a piss.
You should do.
I wouldn't take a piss.
Why not?
Because I'm not like that, mate.
I was
really
trying-
caring and compassionate.
You wait till this camera goes off, he's going to shred me.
Them doors are getting closed up tonight because, again, fire, smoke, tent. Fire. They're getting closed up because the breeze is coming back out slightly. But it's alright, not cold. He's got his Wonder Dungeon.
You'll be in there later.
No thanks.
A beefcake!
No, you can't now, definitely can't. There you go. That's 100% better. So, like I said earlier, thank you for subbing to my channel. I'm not going to vouch that I'm any expert at this. I come out purely to have a laugh. And I was going to say get away from the missus, but that would be terrible. Just literally have a laugh and enjoy what you're doing outdoors. And this bloke, again, you can't see him.
Mate, I'm like a ninja.
He's kind enough to be out enjoying it with me.
Thank you very much, that was very kind of you, John.
Yeah, sentimental. Only because I feel sorry for you for falling over. But yeah, we enjoy it, so just hitting the sack. It's just coming up to 11, I think it is. Lee's still out monitoring the fire, burning down the last few bits. It's been a good night, nice and chilled, lovely spot here. Definitely like to come back again. But yeah, tuck myself in and don't think anything exciting will happen. Probably bring you back in the morning to film with a pack up. But have a good night. Morning all. pretty rough night. The rain's been lashing down most of the night. The wind's picking up. Had a few issues with the tarp tent and the front door in the middle of the night. Feet started to get a little bit damp, must have been stuck out the end, but anyway, other than that it's quite comfortable. Get a good night's sleep in here. Lee's still asleep. We can see if we can get a break in the rain and pack up, because it is lashing down out there. Packed up, spick and span. Lovely little spot. Not much sleep had. I think that was probably due to the weather. Constant rain and wind, because we're pretty much on a cliff. But yeah, great little spot here. Tidied all the mess up. Rubbish bag, that will go in the bin. But yeah, really good spot, and definitely think about coming back here again.
Cushy night, mate. I like that.
Lee had a good night's sleep, so.
I've double knotted my shoes so they don't come off in the mud.
Oh yeah, we've got the ledge of death to climb up. I'll be alright. I don't know about him.
Yeah, alright.
But yeah, if there's any filming on the way back out to the car, I'll film it. If not, thanks for joining me on another adventure with Johnny Knows Best. Do you want this pole?
Let me just trick it out, mate. Are you filming this? I want copies. Can you hold that and hold the still recording?
Hang on. Hang on.
Don't just point at me. Mine as well.
Good point. He's chose the slippery way.
My legs ain't as long as yours.
I said, get your leg up, son.
At least you
Yes.
can see what you're doing with this fucking rucksack on. That was a lot better than going down.